Hello everyone, welcome to the Fairfield Public Library. I hope you're ready for autumn as we are making a cool acorn craft. Continue to watch this video so we can make this craft together. All right, so in your take and make bag, you should have the following items: 5 popsicle sticks, 2 googly eyes, twine, acorn top cutout, and brown paper. From home, you'll need glue, scissors, brown, black, white, and a red writing utensil. The first step we're gonna do is cut out this shape for our acorn top. You wanna cut around. So here's the tricky part. We want to go up because that would be the stem of our acorn, the part that holds to the tree before it falls to the ground. And once we're done with that, we will place this on our brown construction paper. Take our white crayon and trace around. Perfect. Let's cut this off. So we will be done with that. Our next step would be to take our glue. Let's put some glue on the top here. And you're gonna take your first popsicle stick and you wanna place that right in the middle. And your next one, they're gonna go down. So just a bit down, like stairs. And then the other on the other side will be even with each other. Going down. Okay, so once that is all set, you're going to flip it over and take your brown crayon and we are gonna color these in. I'm gonna hold them on pretty tight. Okay, I think I'm all done. I'm going to glue on my googly eyes. I'm going to put it on the 1, 2, on the second one. And then I'm going to put it on the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I will take my twine and I'm going to just do a quick loop around. You might need a grown-up's help for this one. I'm going to loop the loop around the top part here and then glue that down. Now our next step would be to give our acorn a smiley face. So let's hold those together and and give a nice, bright, smiley face. And then I'm gonna take our red and I'm gonna give some rosy cheeks to the top of our smile. And there we have it. Our popsicle stick acorn is all done. I hope you had an awesome time making this cool acorn craft with me. As always, make sure you're up to date by checking out what we have here on our Fairfield Public Library calendar. As always, see you later. Bye.